meter freestyle heat number 2. Swimming in lane number 1 is sort of Dale Bradley from Unit 7. Lane number 2 is punished by Ty Zidon from USC. Swimming in lane number 3 is the hull of Jake Lawrence from Unit 5. Swimming in lane number 4 is Owen Sanino Monti from Unit 5. Swimming in lane number 5 is Diana Drew Ashton from Unit 2. Swimming in lane number 6 is Carol Patrick Ryan from Unit 8. In lane number 7 is Kalina from Unit 7. And in lane number 8 is Yamuno Jitz-Wilson from Unit 2. This is event number 49, Elementary Boys 100 meter freestyle, heat number 2.